friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, let's see how to make egg pepper fry. It tastes very good with variety rice. Let's get started. In a pan, I have added enough water and I'm going to boil 3 eggs. You're going to prepare a fresh masala for this recipe. For this, in a mixer jar, I'm going to add 2 shallots, 2 garlic, a small piece of ginger, 1 green chilli, half teaspoon of black peppercorn, half teaspoon of fennel seeds, half teaspoon of cumin seeds. Add little water and grind it to a fine paste. The consistency of the paste has to be like this. So let's start preparing the fry. For this, heat a pan and add a tablespoon of oil. To this, add little curry leaves and then add the ground masala and then 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and salt to taste. For egg, you don't need to add too much of salt, so make sure you add the right quantity of salt. After adding the salt, give it a mix and let it fry till the raw smell goes off. It's been a couple of minutes now and the raw smell has completely gone. Meanwhile, I have boiled the eggs and I've peeled off the shell and I've cut into 2 pieces like this. Now I'm going to add the egg pieces one after the other. Let it remain for a minute and then turn it over to the other side. Throughout the frying, keep the heat at medium. Let it get roasted the other side for at least a minute. It's been a minute now and I'm going to flip it over. Take all the leftover masalas and coat it with the egg and let it remain for just a minute. And now the pepper fry is almost ready. I've almost turned the heat to the lowest possible and finally, just before turning off the heat, I'm going to add little chopped coriander leaves and then you can turn off the heat. That's all. Such a simple and very tasty egg pepper fry is now ready. Do try this recipe at home and share your feedback. If you like this video and if you wish to watch more such interesting recipes, do subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.